Have you ever wondered how JavaScript's object-oriented programming model works? Today we're diving into the intriguing world of JavaScript prototypes. Let's begin with the prototype chain. In JavaScript, this prototype-based language allows objects to inherit properties and methods directly from other objects. This inheritance is established through the prototype chain. Each object has an internal property known as prototype, which points to another object. When you access a property or method on an object, JavaScript first checks if the object itself has that property or method. If it doesn't, it looks at the object's prototype and continues this chain until it finds the property or method or reaches the end. Now let's talk about the prototype property. In JavaScript, constructor functions have a property called prototype. This property isn't the prototype of the constructor function itself, but rather the prototype that will be assigned to instances created with that constructor function using the new keyword. By attaching properties and methods to this prototype object, they will be inherited by all instances created from the constructor function. For instance, consider a person function with the name property. Now, if you attach a sayHello method to person's prototype and create two instances, person1 and person2, with names Alice and Bob respectively, both these instances will have access to the sayHello method. Next on the list is the ObjectGetProtoTypeOf method. This method creates a new object with the specified prototype object and optional properties. It allows you to create objects with specific prototypes without using constructor functions. For instance, if you create a person prototype with a sayHello method and use object.create to create a new person with the name Charlie, this new person will have access to the sayHello method. There's also the property. Though not recommended for direct use due to being non-standard, the property provides direct access to an object's prototype. It can be used to get or set the prototype of an object. For example, if you have a cat object with a sound property and a kitten object with a color property, you can set the kitten's prototype to be the cat, giving the kitten access to the cat's sound property. Lastly, we have the ObjectGetProtoTypeOf and ObjectSetProtoTypeOf methods. The ObjectGetProtoTypeOf method returns the prototype of a specified object, while ObjectSetProtoTypeOf sets the prototype of a specified object to another object. For example, if you have a person object with a name property and a person prototype with a sayHello method, you can set the person's prototype to be the person prototype, giving the person access to the sayHello method. Understanding prototypes is essential for effectively utilizing JavaScript's object-oriented features and for mastering advanced concepts like inheritance and polymorphism in the language. So, remember, prototypes are a fundamental concept in JavaScript that form the basis of the language's object-oriented programming model. They're the secret sauce that makes JavaScript such a powerful and flexible language. Now go forth and code with confidence in your new understanding of JavaScript prototypes.